Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our vlog for today here in Patriot Bikes Repair Shop. As you can see, four wheels, Raptors, Banshee. This all for sale, and some of these are for repairs. Only here in Patriot Bike. Uh, this is Banshee for 2 stroke, 250cc. Hi guys, all here in Patriot Bike. All these are mechanics. No? Bilal, what's this one? Yamaha?
Yeah.
Yamaha. What's the problem? Engine, carburetor.
No, it is finished.
Finish. Only cleaning. Oh, this is Bilal, one of the mechanic here in Patriot Bike. Guys, this guy is one of the mechanic. You guys, name? Mandeep. So this one also mechanic. Good. From Pakistan. But not put on the gasoline. This one, gasoline. Problem. Boom. Alright. Hey guys, ginagawa to ni Bilal. Bilal, now it's okay this one? Ah. Belt tight. Okay, let's see. This is manager, Mr. Shahid Mahmood. Mr. Mahmood, you have for sale bikes?
Yeah, I have fossil bike.
Also four wheel Raptors. I saw Raptors.
700cc 229 model. This one 14,000.
14,000.
Then Raptor 2016. This one 21,000.
This one's outside, right?
Yeah, outside.
Okay, we will see that one.
Yeah. I have two bike big. Then I have small bike Cobra 100cc. 25.
To one
2,500.
on to one to what one? Cobra
100cc.
100cc.
Yeah. Then also I have other bike. Razor 800.
Razor. I think that's orange.
Yeah, white color.
How about the orange there? Orange.
It's orange 2013 900cc.
900cc.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want some bikes, four wheels, dirt bikes, you can visit here in Patriot Bike. Look for the big boss, Shahid Mahmood.
Musafa Sanaya M3, Musafa Industry Area M3, Patros Building.
It's very near. Ano, this one, Mercedes.
Mercedes Bukal.
Yeah, but
Mercedes showroom Mercedes.
yeah. Guys, you have also here. You can see inside the shop
Any parts?
any parts, oils, and these handlebars, batteries also. As you can see, all in the Patriot Bike repair shop. Okay, Mahmoud, I will see outside also. I will make video. Okay. All right.
TikTok.
No, this YouTube. No, TikTok. It's YouTube. YouTube. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Raptor. This one is it's a GTR. Guys, as you can see, we have a lot of bikes. Mostly this one is a four wheel. And Habib, you speak. What's the problem with this one? Problem? Huh? Clutch.
Yes.
You're changing the clutch.
Yes.
Okay, I will put it. Guys, this motorcycle is problem on the clutch lining. Clutch lining. He's changing the clutch lining. This is our small bike, 150cc. here. Oh. Yes, I will not go upstairs because I'm afraid to go upstairs. Maybe it will fall down. So we will put those parts. As if you have something to request for any parts, maybe you can comment below. Most especially on the Raptors and dirt bike. Maybe available, just let me know. Alright. Now, Bilal, now it's okay, huh? Alright. Okay. Okay, guys. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright.